I think this is one of the best SBs dropping this year. Hello everyone and welcome to your guide for sneaker updates. And today we are talking about the upcoming Dunk Low SB Jarritos. That was my best pronunciation of the shoe. But in today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about this upcoming release. That includes the retail, the resale, where to get this shoe, hold or sell, best size to go for, where to enter, everything within today's short video. And if you want to keep up to date everything sneaker related, subscribe to the channel and drop a like on today's video. So the Dunk Low Jarrito will be dropping on the 10th of May, and this is for a retail of £110, which is a bit annoying in the first place. I don't really like that SBs sometimes go above the normal Dunk retail at 110, however it does mean the quality should be a lot better. If you don't know, Jarrito is not the colorway. Jarrito is actually a drinks company over in Mexico. I'm trying to think of the UK equivalent, but it's a bit different. Jarrito is not seen like a big soda brand like Fanta or anything, it's more of a juice thing. However, they also do have a cola flavor, so it kind of contradicts themselves. These originated in Mexico and they are collabing with Nike Dunk SB to create this beautiful looking shoe. And I'm really not complaining because this is a great looking shoe with some great low-key details. Now, as you can see, I am a big fan of Dunks, especially SB Dunks. One of my favorites being the Why So Sad SBs, which is similar the way they have collabed with this shoe. Now, unfortunately, your dirty resellers like myself are going to be after these, so it is going to be very hard to get your hands on them. However, follow these steps to increase your chances, and hopefully you can snag yourself a pair for retail. So your best main bet is always on the Nike Sneakers app. This is at 8 AM in the morning. Set your alarms. I know it's not a nice time to wake up. I wish we had 11 AM drops. It'd just be so much better. But at 8 AM, head over to the Sneakers app and enter your account into the draw. This will be a 15-minute Dan release, which simply means 8 o'clock, 15-minute draw will open. You can enter your account, and at the end of these 15 minutes, you'll be notified whether you win or whether you take a big out. Now, this is where it gets a bit fun. You want to be increasing your chances as much as you possibly can, and the ways you can do this is by entering multiple accounts. But make sure these accounts are actually unique and they're not getting filtered. So filtered essentially means you're entering loads of these accounts and the people who are going to draw this raffle are just taking them out before they even picked. For example, if you use the same card in every single account, if you just use the exact same address in every single account, if you just use the exact same phone to enter all of these accounts, you're going to get filtered, which means you will never win. So there are ways around this, things like jigging your address, entering via a sneakers bot, entering off different phone numbers, and there even are ways of getting around the card situation. You can get something called virtual card, which means you simply don't have to actually have 50 in-hand cards, which then can be used on every single different account, and they will be valid if you follow all of them steps. Now you're probably thinking this sounds really confusing, how can I just buy a sneakers bot and just do it that way? Well yes, there's nothing stopping you from doing that, however it's quite hard to learn how to sneaker bot without the guidance. Where can you get the guidance? Well, if you don't know, I do run my own cook group where we teach you everything you need to know about sneakers. The filters on different sites, all the releases upcoming, all the shock drops, all the restocks. If you want to start botting, what bot to get, what proxies to get, everything we teach you within my cook group. And now you're waiting for me to say the price and you expect me to say, oh, it costs thousands of pounds to get taught by me. Nope, our most popular pricing plan is £35 a month, and you even get access to all the monitors, the restocks, everything within that £35. We do have a lower tier at £20, which has more of the basic information, but as we got the Jarritos coming up, if you use code Jarrito, spelt as it is on screen, guys, you will actually get 50% off your first month. So you can join the cook group for £10, or even if you wanted all the information, that's only £17.50. And I promise you, we will make you more than that. We have members within the group making thousands a month, or only a couple hundred a month. It all comes down to your circumstances and how much time you're willing to put in. But I mean, for example, 2 days ago, we just saw the Midnight Navies randomly restock, and I bet you as a normal public user did not know about that, and our group feasted on them. So there will be a link to the website, top link in the description, where you can look into it a bit more and see if it suits you. Any questions you have about the group, just drop us a message on our Instagram, KaiKicks Apprentice. So there isn't just a sneakers drop, there will be some raffles as well. What does that mean? Well, these raffles open up a couple days before the release. You enter your raffle. On the day, you'll be notified whether you win or lose again. Exact same as sneakers, however you can actually enter a couple days before. So usually I would actually say all of these main retailers they get this sneaker. However, this is different this time. As it's an SB, a skateboarding shoe, your main retailers won't get this sneaker. So retailers like Size and Clothing, S&S, they will not get these. However, other retailers will get them that don't usually get other shoes. And these are skate store raffles, or skate stores, skate shops, whatever you want to call them. These are your places like Flat Spot, Route 1, other ones off the top of my head, you have Slam Jam and a couple others, and a lot others in the EU as well. So yes, your main retailers like End, S&S won't get these, however your other retailers, your skate shop raffles such as Flat Spot, Route 1, Slam Jam will get this sneaker. And remember, for all of the rules, you must use unique information, which we teach you all within the group. Now, I said these open a couple days before, but some of these literally open for a couple minutes sometimes. So you need to make sure that you are notified when to enter them. KaiKicks Apprentice again. I know I keep plugging the group, I am sorry, but it's the only way you're going to find out about them. So you have your main release on sneakers, and you have your raffles on skate stores. You know about where they're dropping. Let's talk the money here. How much money am I going to make if I cop one of these sneakers? With a retail of £110, prices are actually sitting around the £300 mark at the moment. After release, obviously stock will be dropped, and I can see the price coming down a fair bit. I can see these settling between the £200 and £230 mark though. With SBs, there's never a lot of stock pushed on sneakers or even skate stores. They are very, very exclusive. So I really do not see them dropping below £200, which means it's basically doubling your money. Go all out on this release, do not hold back, get as many as you can and sell as many as you can. And then your best sizes to go for, well, I always tend to go for sizes 8 to 12 for Dunk Low SBs. SBs are very OG collectible sneakers, so you will have a lot of old sneakerheads that want these. So your highest demand will be in your sizes 8 to 12, maybe your highest resale, maybe actually your smaller sizes, however they'll also be harder to get and also harder to resell. So to find that balance point, I would always recommend going for sizes 8 to 12 when it comes to Dunk Low SBs. They have very good resale and they're also the easiest to move as well. With that being said, the last point we're going to talk about is the hold or sell. Dunk Low SBs, the demand is a bit different. With it being with a drinks collab, are people going to forget about the sneaker in 3 months time? I'll be really honest, yes, they probably will. I mean, no one's going to be talking about it in 6 months time, let's be honest. It's not like a big Jordan 4, it's not like a Travis Scott release. I'm going to be selling all of my pairs, I'll be really honest with you guys. I'll maybe keep one to collect, but this won't be for holding reasons. If you want to cash out on the most money you can possibly make on the sneaker, sell it as soon as you get the win. Even pre-sell it if you possibly can, because when people get these in hand, they're going to keep undercutting each other and you're going to see a big drop in the value. And for it to jump back up to £300, I think it'll be a very, very long time, and we're talking years. And boom, look at that, even less than 10 minutes, I've told you everything you need to know about the sneaker. If you want to learn and develop your sneaker reselling abilities and your sneaker reselling business, we cater for all experiences within KaiKicks Apprentice. Code Jarritos for 50% off your first month. Top link in the description. Smash that subscribe button. We are getting close to 10,000 subscribers. We are on the grind, so I do really appreciate if you can consider that subscribe button. I'm sure it'll help you out at least once in your life. Drop a like on today's video. Comment down what you think about this sneaker, guys. Is it a cop for you or is it a drop? Let me know down in the comments. Wish you all the best. Good luck in this release, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.